how to buy Ethereum on Etoro crypto website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum crypto and Etoro easy and fast. First thing we do, we go to etoro.com and now go to the watch list right here. Click on watch list and go here and click on this icon and choose the crypto, and then click on Ethereum right here. Then choose the trade option, click here. Now choose the amount of money that you want to invest. For example, I'm gonna invest $10,000 or less, whatever you want, and click open trade like this. And I just invested $3,000 in Ethereum, easy and fast. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.